Okay, we are on our way to do an inspection on a furnace. They have two furnaces in the house. The one upstairs was the nasty attic furnace, and now they want me to go inspect the one downstairs. It was a nasty attic furnace with the bat poop.
After 1/2 mile, enter the rotary.
So now we get to venture into the frickin' basement. Rat poo in the attic. Let's see what's in the basement. Who knows? It may be clean as can be. I have no idea. But, or you never know. It might be a little scary. We're gonna find out. So let me get out there and we'll get the camera on and do a heat exchanger inspection. Okay, so believe it or not, that this is like a rental house, halfway house. Believe it or not, she said she didn't want to come down here because there was a bat down here. I said, really? So we got a little, let's see. That's covered in plastic. We should be okay. Doesn't seem very bright. Oh, that's bright. That's what I'm talking about right there. There, that's better. Now we can see. But this is a little tiny 50,000. Gotta have it inspected for the state. This is a little 45. BVAT. Need a filter. It's just a little dusty, and we're just doing an inspection, safety inspection. We're not cleaning. So let's get into this heat exchanger. I'm going to dust it out a little. It is kind of dirty. So let me keep on touching the screen. Let's get into this here. She had warned me. She's like, I haven't went down there. I think there's a bat down there. It's like, oh, okay. Thanks for the warning. Thanks for the warning. Then I asked her, well, then she told me that previously when she moved in, she had killed a bat with a broom. I'm like, oh no, you killed Ozzy Osbourne. So get the screwdriver. She got a little crust to her, but oh, let's get in it. Let's get in there. It looks good. I don't see any cracks. She's dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty. But she is not cracked. This is from 2011. 2011. Get this back up in here. Like so. I bent the crap out of it. Really? Oh, too far. Oh, damn it. There we go. And I will have to go get some tape out of the truck and tape it back up. Why doesn't it line up? Don't know. No, it does. And I'll stick one in here. Ain't doing that one. Well, yeah, it lines up. Okay. I'm gonna get a filter. Oh, give me some light. She's a little dusty. Well, let me get it started up. Get my CO meter down here. Change the filter. And I'll be done with this one. Well, that was kind of funny. I mean, as soon as I walked in and we get to the basement door, she's like, there's a bat down there. I'm like, oh, thanks for the warning. I get down there, start looking, just looking, and I didn't see any droppings or anything. So I mean, the basement was a lot cleaner than the attic, surprisingly enough. Then I went upstairs, and she was telling me that she killed a bat upstairs, I think, in the other apartment with a broom. So then I said to her, I go, well, so you killed Ozzy Osbourne, huh? She's like, yeah. She was laughing. So I don't know. It's just a quick furnace inspection, just for the this is like a halfway house. It's for the state. So just got that out of the way. Did my regular heat exchanger inspection and CO check. Kind of brushed the furnace off, got it up and running. Everything's running. Changed filter. We're good to go. But you know, they don't own the furnace. We're not doing the full dog and pony show on it. So that is it for this one. She killed Ozzy Osbourne. That's too funny. Alright, I'll see you on the next one.